Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Phil Colbert here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We have a special new listing here, 2012 Crossvine Lane in beautiful Castleberry. We are right off Red Bug Lake Road, right in the kind of the heart of the city, honestly, a little bit east of 1792 and 436 here. Great gated community, very quiet, safe, lots of nice amenities. We got the community pool, little park areas, but the home itself is a jewel right here on a quiet street towards the back. It's a 3.5, right at 2,501 square feet, and let's go see what's inside. Well, hello. So right when you enter the home, you'll notice the beautiful grand staircase that's kind of like a half moon shaped here going up to all the bedrooms. We'll show you that later, but it's a great open atrium here that makes the home feel very, very large and very spacious, open. We have an office / library right off to the left here. We have a half bathroom right in the middle, and then you'll see the chandelier above me. This is kind of the formal dining and living area, which they've left carpeted for you so you can see the distinguishments between the rooms. And then very open again, open right into the family room over here, and then the kitchen. We have a built-in desk, a garage access, all the stainless steel appliances, the upgraded huge sink. So plenty to offer. Very clean, very well-maintained home here. You gotta come, you gotta feel it in person because this will only show you, a little preview. So let's go check out the upstairs. Okay, so right when we come upstairs, we have the laundry room on the right. We have a bedroom with its own private bathroom. The AC control is here. We have 2 other bedrooms here which share a bathroom with a direct access on one of them. And then we're gonna come into the double doors into the grand master suite. Closet on the right, hers, closet on the left, his, and plenty of expansive space here. Windows overlooking the nourishing, lush backyard, which you'll see in a moment, it's amazing. Then we have the master bathroom with the dual sinks, the jacuzzi tub, the shower, everything. So come see that, see the pictures, but come see it. Let's go check out the grand finale downstairs. Okay, so welcome to the back porch. You'll notice that it's all screened in here, perfect for entertaining guests, 4 seasons. I mean, it's got everything you need. It's sheltered also, it's because it's in the foundational walls. We come back this way. The owners added such a nice stone pathway leading up to a great feature, which I'll show you in a second here. But I just wanted to show you some of the lush nature here as part of the back lot, good sized lot. We have the master, which I was telling you about, overlooking it all. And all the other rooms with plenty of windows and lighting coming into the house and looking out to the beautiful nature. We have neighbors on all sides, but they're all set back. And so it feels very private, especially with this lush nature here. You don't feel like anybody's staring at you. I mean, it's very set back, plenty of privacy here as well. And then we have the fire pit, my favorite part of the whole house because it's a great gathering point. They actually have a drain in it too, so you could have a fountain in there if you wanted, or even put plants in as far as just another natural feature. But it's a great fire pit, especially now, in fall, winter time. It's a great gathering place for the whole family to come welcome the new home. So thank you so much for checking us out. This is Phil Colbert here again with TopOrlandoHomes.com. My number's on the screen. And this is 2012 Crossvine Lane in beautiful Castleberry. Thank you. Have a good day.